Hey guys, welcome back to the channel that teaches you how to make Procreate brushes. After the success with the first 3D brush I created for the channel, we'll be making a different version that gives a different effect this time, the Blending 3D brush. It's a 3D brush that blends the strokes even after you lift your pencil to create unified blended artwork. It's a dual brush where two shapes interact with each other, giving you that 3D effect. It's got a matte satin look that differentiates itself from the previous 3D brush we created. I'll teach you how to make monoline and taper versions of this brush so you can have more variety. So, let's get started and make this brush. Let's start by creating a square canvas. Set the background to pure black. And draw with pure white. Using the monoline brush, let's draw a perfect circle. Create a new layer, tap on the layer, and choose Clipping Mask. Change the color selection to a dark gray, and select Soft Brush from the airbrushing library. Lower the opacity, and draw on half the circle and draw outwards about 2 more times, like this. Tap on the adjustment tool, select Gaussian Blur, blur to a point where these lines blend together, usually around 30 to 50%. Tap on the Move tool if needed and move the fade layer away to half of the circle. Now we have our brush shape. First, we'll need to create our first brush by using the base shape, so hide this blurred layer, swipe down with 3 fingers, and choose Copy All. Choose a brush library, and tap on the plus sign to make a new brush. In Stroke Path, set Stroke Property Spacing to 5%. In Stabilization, set your preferred stabilization settings. In Shape, tap Edit beside Shape Source, tap Import, and choose Paste. Tap Done twice to save selection. In Rendering, set Rendering Mode to Intense Blending. Under Blending, set Burnt Edges to Max. Set Burnt Edges Mode to Normal. And Blend Mode to Lighten. Turn on Luminance Blending. In Color Dynamics, let's activate Dual Color Mode by setting Stroke Color Jitter Secondary Color to Max, Color Pressure Brightness and Secondary Color to Max as well, and Color Tilt Secondary Color also to Max. In Apple Pencil, set Pressure Opacity to None. Under Tilt, set Tilt Angle to 8 degrees. Finally, in Properties, turn off Orient to Screen, set Preview to 10%, and under Brush Behavior, set Maximum Size to Max. And with our first brush done and all our settings styled in, let's go back to the canvas, reveal the blur layer, and copy canvas. Go back to the brush library, duplicate the first brush we created, go into the brush settings, go into Shape sidebar, tap on Edit, Import, and choose Paste. Then, go into Rendering, and change Rendering Mode to Light Glaze. Now that we have our 2 brushes, let's combine by having this second brush highlighted, swipe right on the first brush, and choose Combine. Now you have your 3D blending brush with dual color functions that you can activate by selecting a lighter tone first, then selecting a darker one second, making it your active color. Now let's turn this into a taper 3D blending brush. First, let's swipe left and duplicate the brush, go into the brush settings, and for both of these brushes, go into Apple Pencil and set pressure size to your desired amount. I like to set mine at 60%. And now you have a cool satin effect 3D brush that you can immediately start creating with. Try out different color combinations and see what cool things you can come up with. I really hope you enjoy making art with this one, as I have enjoyed helping you make this brush for you. Thank you all so much for the growth this channel has been experiencing. Spread the word, leave your likes and comments, hit that notification bell, and I will see you for the next brush. Bye!